In 30 seconds, could you tell us a little about yourself and what you do?
Sure. My name is Praveen. I'm from Hyderabad. I have a very strong technical experience building application from scratch, very complex applications in this past. But my core skill sets are problem solving. I love into the, wherever the real problem, I go into that and then try to solve the problem. And that's where I get that happiness around that.
Nice knowing you, Praveen. Looks very interesting. In 1 year from now, aspirationally from a career perspective, what do you really want to do?
So in the last, decades of experience having that into technology, I looking forward to get into the product management. And that is where I allow into that, problem solving, again, the same area. It's more problem solving happening in that side. That's why I love into that side of that product management, getting in from product manager to director and then go to the next phase.
Nice. I wish you all the very best.
Thank you.
There are many unique aspects to this program. I'm going to state a few. Help me understand what helped you decide getting into this program. There are AI-led trainings, there are one-on-one mentorships that you get, there is peer networking and so on. What was those two unique aspects that you felt, hey, this is what I'm joining this program for?
Yeah, the one thing is a product lab that I read about in the website, that where you bring your own idea and that idea you own it and then you take it from requirements gathering to go to the market to evaluation and all those things. That's what excited me to experience that one rather than just learning the theory and so that is what I want interested in that.
Thank you so much, Praveen.
Sure.
Wish you all the very best.